A loud shark vacuum can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are several possible reasons for the noise and corresponding solutions. The potential causes include a clogged hose, a damaged or dirty brush roll, a broken fan, and dirty filters. To address these issues, start by checking the hose for blockages. This can be done by dropping a narrow object through the hose. If it doesn't pass through, the hose is clogged. Unclogging the hose can be achieved by pushing a narrow object through it or by using compressed air to dislodge the blockage. Next, inspect and clean the brush roll by removing it from the vacuum and checking for debris. Use scissors to carefully cut away any tangled debris, and replace the brush if it's damaged. If the fan is broken, detach it from the vacuum by removing a few screws. Inspect it for cracks, and take it to a repair shop or replace it if necessary. Finally, clean the filters by first unplugging the vacuum and removing the canister. Use an old toothbrush and running water to clean the filter, and an air compressor to clean the non-washable HEPA filter. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue causing your shark vacuum to be loud.